So guys, I have moisturized my face with my favorite moisturizer. Now I will use this BB cream as my base. So मैं यहाँ से थोड़ी सी BB क्रीम ले रही हूँ, ज़्यादा नहीं लूँगी मैं, क्योंकि ये टाइम ओकेशन है। मैं बहुत वेट कर रही हूँ गाइस। Yeah, maybe this is enough. Now I will blend my foundation with this brush. My hair is disturbing. I have blended my BB cream entire my face. Now I will use this compact powder all over my face to set my BB cream. मैं बहुत अच्छे से मेरी बेस को सेट कर लूँगी with this compact. I will use this compact powder as well as my neck and ear. I also used my BB cream in my neck and ear, so I also need to set them too. अभी मैं इस पैलेट से दोनों कलर यूज़ करूँगी मेरे आई लिड के लिए. सो I'll use this color and this color. So guys, now I will use this liner in very simple way. So I will put this liner very thin. At first I have make a wing. Now I will do my brow with very light brown color, because I am making a very sophisticated look, so dark brown will not go with this look. I have taken in my small brush a very light brown. I have drawn my another eyebrow, and now I will comb my eyebrow with this. This is not a spoolie, this is a empty mirror. This is the empty Maybelline mascara. So there is no mascara, so I can use this brush as my eyebrow combing. Now I will use a blush from this palette and I will smile and apply. Now I will complete my look by using this. This is a matte lipstick by Kala and it is also nude lipstick. Though the color is not that So guys, this is my final look and if you like this look, please try it in coming Rakhi. And I'm Sangita. This is my first video, so I was little nervous and was very much excited that I was forget to make my introduction in the beginning of my video. So yeah, I'm Sangita. This is my first video in this channel. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. So yeah, मिलती हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.